So we're back this week, 65 square metres of porcelain. We have 80 square metres of artificial grass, 15 lineal metres of fencing, closeboard fencing, 25 lineal metres of sleeper borders. 2 weeks ago I started on this. The builder's already got about 20 tonnes of type 1 scalpings in, dug the area off for me. One of the construction team cracked on and built the raised area and the steps for me. We put down a concrete footing and worked off of that, obviously. We'll have our porcelain on the face and obviously on the tops. These are our steps. These are our block edging for the artificial grass. We'll get these haunched up in a couple of weeks, ready to glue down the artificial grass. We've still got quite a lot of prep work to do. Obviously we need to bring up our type 1, we need to haunch our edges, we need to put our 6 mils of dust in and level out and compact membrane. Over here we've got bifolds going in. We're going to have the same aqua drainage as the last job, the last project, the limestone. We're going to have the same aqua drainage here. It's going to be quite a level area, but we're going to have minimal runoff. This is our raised area. For our block edging, we're using the old fret beater with a nice pencil edge around it. I just think they look good and they hold everything in place. So we've done our 15 lineal metres of closeboard fencing. Video up here if you want to see how to do that. Done those quite a few times. Obviously, as usual, 2 end posts, string line up, and everything follows suit. All of our softwood sleepers are laid on a concrete mix. We then fix in 100mm posts behind, screw those in using timber drive screws. If you want to watch a video on how to fix softwood sleepers, the video's up here. All of our sleeper work has DPM membrane on the inside of them to stop just give them a longer life, stop the wet soil from rotting them out so quickly. So our patio area and our artificial grass area are laid on a 150mm bed of type 1 scalpings, compacted into place obviously. That helps to prevent any voids with water from the soil being washed away, gives us a nice firm and stable base. Obviously in the artificial grass area we will top that up with some 6 mils of dust to just finish off our final layer. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Goodbye.
Cut.